Hey everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Mock-up for my bottom plate for where my dies are going to be. My holders here. So I'm going to weld all this up. This will be welded to the 3/4 inch plate under here. This will be welded to here. These are just keepers. This is my 1/2 inch plate that my dies will be put to. This 3/4 inch is sitting there. I'm going to drill 4 holes in it and countersink them. And then my bolts, I'll have 4 bolts that'll hold that piece that's welded all together down. And then my 1/2 inch plate will slide in. That'll have my dies on it. And then these will be on the sides just to keep it in place. I'm also going to put a pin out here so that the die doesn't come out, squeeze out or push out. Same with the top one here, my holder here, my 1/2 inch plate here that comes out that my dies are going to be welded to. Once I get them all lined up and the cylinder down, that'll be together. Here's the bottom legs again. That's how I unlevel my floors. Floors are really bad. And then that is that with my cylinder all the way up there. As you can see, I'm only 9 inches from a ceiling, 8-foot ceiling. Gives you an overall height. I got these tapped and welded today. Tapped and drilled and tapped. I got my bolts in here, all grade 8 bolts. I'm using grade 8 on everything. This is my spacer here. My back plate, my front plate. I'm back up so you can see them here. There. This plate's a little high. This one right here. I'll be cutting this down to this white line. That way I have clearance between this plate and the head here, because this is my cylinders always retracted all the way back. So I just want to make sure, just in case I don't hit anything. This gets replaced with a grade 8 bolt. 2 inch by 2 inch quarter wall, quarter wall heavy tubing with a nut welded to it. This is an actual nut in here because the end of my shaft's a threaded shaft on this ram. This ram I got a smoking deal, $100. So I paid for it. Paid for the bolts, welding wire, nuts for here, and my motor over there. I got a 6 horsepower motor. I managed to fluke out. It's right back there. Got it for $40 plus a 5 horsepower with it as well too. So this is going to be my hydraulic tank. So what I'm going to do is cut the 2 center walls out of here. So this wall this side, this wall this side, I'm going to cut them out to about here and down to here. And then I'm going to weld this all together, weld my bottoms on it. My filler cap will go in the top here. My return line will go in the top, and my outline will be on the bottom. And then I'm trying to decide where on this I'm going to put my lever. I'm thinking I'm going to try and make it universal. I seriously want a foot pedal, so I'm thinking I'm going to put the foot pedal this side. So my foot pedal will be down here. My control will be up here somewhere. I might have to drill a hole through these plates or something, or leave the linkage arm out here somewhere. So my linkage arm might be out here. And then I can either go this way through here, or, which I'm commonly going to use it this way probably for longer stuff and give me more room. So, and then that'll come down. Can't remember what my measurement is on my plates. Sorry, trying to grab my tape measure here. So presently right now between my plates, I have just 18.5 inches roughly between my plates. So when I put 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches, that'll be 3 inches. So there'll be 15 inches between my dies. And that's what I'm going to use for that. My die material is 4150. I have some, bottom of my stand, I have some 4150 rounds there. I'm just going to cut my 6-inch pieces, and then I'll grind double purpose dies. So basically I'm going to have the dies that are, my die will be flat on the back and then have the round over on the front of it. And that way the double purpose dies that are on it, and that'll work there. So there it is so far. That's what's happened with it. Going to be working on it here and there this week. I'll get some more video as I get along. Yeah, I know you guys don't want to see me grinding and cutting and welding. Poor old bandsaw is taking a beating. Using a 7-inch grinder with cutting discs. That's what I've been doing a lot of it with because it's so big and heavy. Everything is 5/8, 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch plate. The head on this thing is just monstrous heavy. And then the base here is really heavy as well too. And the leveling legs, I think that's going to work really good. If I get a piece of concrete that's leveled, then my legs are level, everything will sit level. I don't have to worry about it. That's the ram going up and there. So yeah, that's everything this week. Just going to get everything fitted up. Got pretty much everything fitted up, I guess. I just got to finish doing a lot of welding. I got a lot of welding to do now. That I got everything sort of secure and roughed in and jigged, and some more cutting, and then all I got to do then, I guess, is just purchase fittings, purchase hoses, purchase a pump, and purchase a control lever and some hydraulic fluid. And that's pretty much it. I got fittings and everything, a bunch of different fittings and stuff here as well too. So yeah, so no, that's going to work great. It's going to look really good. So that's where I'm sitting right now. And there we go. Turn the camera over, give you guys a tall view. So yeah, so that's it there. Backing up in the shop here, so you can see it there. So yeah, it's huge. I'm at 600 and some odd pounds, I think, right now, with all the plate steel and everything else. So there we go. Looking good. Looking good. So yep, so probably next weekend I'll be giving you guys another update, see how far I get with a bunch of this. Not sure where I'm going to get on it, but we'll see where we get. Okay, well, have yourself a great day. Enjoy your morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And thanks for coming along and viewing it and everything, and greatly appreciated. And we'll catch you later. Bye.